Hey guys, today I'm going to make some baby back ribs in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. I have a 4-pound rack of pork baby back ribs here. These were $2.49 a pound, so this rack of ribs cost $10.01. Now I was reading the package, it says these are in a 12% solution of pork broth, salt, and natural flavors. So they might be a little bit salty. First thing I'm going to do is just get them opened up and get them rinsed off here. I think I'm going to try something a little different and just cut these into individual ribs. I have two different barbecue rubs here. This Kinder's has more salt, so I think I'm going to go with this one by the J. Christopher Company, the rub by the J. Christopher Company, because it's not as salty. So that's the one I'm going to use. I have cooked these in barbecue sauce before, but what happens is when the meat cooks, it makes a lot of liquid and the sauce gets diluted a lot. So I think what I'm going to do is just cook these in a dry, slow cooker, and then if I do add sauce, I will add it at the end. My ribs are all piled in there. There's no extra liquid added, and we'll get the lid on. Okay, I'm going to cook these on low, and I'm not sure how long it'll take. I'll just keep an eye on them and let you guys know how long it takes. These have been in here for about 5 hours now, so let's take a look. See how much liquid's in there now? So I'm going to pull the ribs out, and then I'm going to pour all that liquid out and then put sauce in there. You can see how much liquid is in this pot. Now I'm going to grab my oven mitts and take that out of there. And I'm just going to pour that down the sink here. Now I'll get it back in there. And I'll put the ribs in and add some sauce to it. Now I'll add my barbecue sauce. This is Sweet Baby Ray's. Gotta get the lid on and let them go simmer for maybe another hour or so. These have been in the sauce for about an hour and a half and it smells awesome in here. They look really good. Let me grab a plate and we'll try them out here. These smell so good. Let's give one a try. Man, that is really good. I definitely like that way better than putting the sauce in the beginning and cooking them in the sauce. A lot more flavor that way. Annie, the taste test dog showed up. Want to try the rib, Annie? Oh, there you go. I guess you liked it okay. That worked out really good. Those are some of the best ribs that I've done in the slow cooker. So I did them 5 hours on low, then I poured out the liquid, added the sauce, and they were in the sauce for about an hour and a half, but I still have them on now. They weren't super tender, but I think if they sit in there in that sauce a little bit longer on low, they'll probably get a little more tender as time goes by. So I have a few more later on. Thanks for watching. See you guys.